You're watching Vacation Minute by Explorer Vacations. Experience the ultimate island getaway at Perfect Day at CocoCay, Royal Caribbean's private slice of paradise in the Bahamas. Dive into thrilling adventures at Thrill Water Park, featuring Daredevil's Peak, one of the tallest water slides in North America. Or relax and soak up the sun at Oasis Lagoon, the Caribbean's largest freshwater pool. Indulge in delicious island bites, unwind on pristine beaches, and discover hidden coves for a tranquil escape. Whether you're seeking adrenaline-pumping fun or serene relaxation, CocoCay offers a perfect day for every kind of traveler. Join us as we focus our tour on the exhilarating Thrill Water Park. Your perfect day awaits. For travel ideas about the Caribbean and beyond, please visit our website, ExplorerVacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you.